Well, hello and welcome. This is the first video. I'm just getting started. So yeah, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and go up here, and you're already probably set up or purchased your blog. And what you're going to want to do is go ahead and log in here. So go ahead and do that. And I'm going to put my username in there. There it is. And my password. Okay, log in there. Now when you log in, you're going to see that we've got some, a few different things back here. And if you haven't already, taking a look at these, watch some of these. These are some great other products they have, information products. But what you're going to want to do is just click on log in and start blogging. Now, this is all tied in with WordPress, which is great because WordPress is the top, blogging system out there that you want to be a part of anyway. And so instead of having to spend all that time, trying to figure it all out, we've got some simple, buttons you can push here to get started. And this is easy mode, and this is really the magic behind the Empower Network blogging platform here. And so you can see we're at dashboard right now, and on the dashboard you can find several different things here, and you can see how many posts you got, all that good stuff. And then over here, if you click on new post, that's where you want to go. So we're going to make our first post here, and I'm just going to give it the title Start Blogging. And I've already got my content written, just to speed this up a little bit because I don't want this video to be very long. I'm going to go ahead and paste that. Now I want to point out a couple things to you. You can see here, I started off marketing online can be an exciting adventure, right? I'm talking about, just something that's kind of interesting, telling them a little bit about why blogging is such a big deal. And when you're writing a post, it's really important you write something that's interesting. Remember, this is about attracting people that have the same interests, and hopefully because they have the same interests or are like the same things you like, or or maybe they're working on something or trying to make something that you've made, or there's all kinds of different ways that you can attract people. So when you're writing these posts, make sure that it's interesting, right? So you may write a post about a meal you made, or maybe about a project that you're working on, or maybe a vacation you took, maybe something's happening with the family, just all kinds of different things. You could write about your product, maybe explain your product, explain the benefits of using your product. There's all kinds of different things you can do, and so really try to think about that. And you don't have to be an amazing writer. As you write these posts, you're just going to keep getting better and better and better, okay? So let's take a look at this. We've got this link down here. This is a YouTube link, and I want to point something out. How did I grab that YouTube link? Well, what I did was I went to YouTube, and we'll just go to our Empower Network channel here that we have for the team here, EmpowerNetworkAnswers.com. This is our Empower Network channel on YouTube. Click on that. And I'm just going to go and select, let's say I want this video, let's see, where is it? Right here. What is a blog, right? I'm going to click on that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and go up here and grab this link right here. Okay, the link that's in the top here. Not the one down below the video under share, but the one that's at the top. Okay, you're going to copy that. And then you're going to go back to your post, and you're going to paste that wherever you want. So right here, this is where I put it, right here. You can see it right here. And now what happens is, it doesn't look like much here, right? But when you do save it and publish it and all that good stuff, you go back to your actual blog and take a look at it. The video is actually embedded, so they can watch the video inside of your post. Right? And that's a great thing to do. It's great to have video in there and pictures. Let's talk about pictures for a second here. So let's say I want to put a picture in here. Let's go down here, or maybe let's put it at the top. How about that? We'll put a picture in here at the top. And these are just some basic things you can do, all right, to make it interesting. So pictures, how do you put a picture in here? Well, you can see up here there's a little camera right next to upload and insert. We'll click on that. Now you can see you can drag and drop a picture right here, right? You'll be able to give it a title, you'll be able to give it a description, all that good stuff. All right, and then the picture will show up wherever you had your cursor, right? Or wherever you put that space at. So you can put the picture anywhere you want. And so there's a lot you can do there. Now, how do you make this a link? How do you make something a link? Well, you would highlight whatever the words are. And then up here, where you see all your buttons up here, see there looks like a link or a chain there. You'll click on that. And this is where you can actually put in your, your link or whatever your thing is. So I'm going to have to go to EmpowerNetworkAnswers.com, and I'm going to put a little thing. Now this title is something that they see when they hover over it. And I'll put find the answers, right? And you do want to have this open up in a different window because you don't want to take them away from your post or your blog. So you'll want to check that box and then go ahead and hit add link. And now this is a live link that when they click on it, it'll take them to whatever that website is or that page. Now, if you are a Wowee affiliate, okay, you have the video email tools to offer. You can give away those free video email accounts by simply, putting a link in here and saying, hey, activate your free video email account or set up your free video email account and have that link go to your free video email account page. So lots of different things you can do here, but that's basically how you write that post, embed the pictures, make links, and put in videos. Last but not least, we've got this site over here. You're going to want to check this box. That's the Empower Network. Remember, this is connected to a whole network of blogs inside of Empower Network. And down here, you've got tags. So for this particular post, I might put blogging and blogs and things like that. Writing a blog, marketing through blogs, just stuff like that. Whatever your tag words are, they're going to be something, words that are relative and make sense, that are connected to your post, right? So these are words that help the search engines recognize and find your information, your post, if someone's looking for it, and that does help. So you want to focus on making sure you've got good tag words there, right? And then down below that, right here, featured image, you can see here, set a featured image. And again, if you click that, the box pops up. You can drag and drop a picture right in here, or just select the files from your computer, and that will be the thumbnail image. So when you share this on to your Facebook and things like that, that's where that'll be. All right. So this is the first training. We'll see you in the next video. I'm going to talk about sharing your post, and we'll see you at the top. Talk to you soon.